Welcome back to my channel, and here we have another topic that we are going to talk about for basic technology for junior secondary school 1 to junior secondary school 3. Every topic that we share on this channel is very, very important, and I'm asking you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and help us to share your videos with your friends who are basic technology students. Now, the topic for today is what we call drawing instruments and their uses. Drawing instruments and their uses. These are drawing instruments that are used in technical drawing, and I know that you might have come across it in junior secondary school 1. So it's very, very, very important that you pay attention to all that we have to say here on this topic. Now, we are starting with drawing board, and drawing board is, you can see a diagram here, and the use of drawing board is that drawing board is a rectangular platform upon which drawing paper is placed when commencing drawing. So whenever we have to draw in technical drawing, we place our drawing paper on the drawing board. Okay, so this is how it looks, and your own that you have may not have a base like this. So, but if it does not have a base, it is still a drawing board. You can still make use of it like that. So this is the first among the drawing instrument that we have, and we have stated its use, that is a rectangular platform upon which we place our drawing paper whenever we have to begin to draw. Then the second drawing instrument is a T-square. So this is a T-square, and this T-square, as you see it here, it has its own parts. So we have the blade, and then we have the stock. Then we also have the working edge. So the angle between the blade and the stock is 90 degrees. So please pay attention to this information that I just explained here, and we can also see it in the diagram. Then let's go to the uses of T-square. As well, that T-square is used to set drawing paper on the drawing board. So whenever you have to set the drawing paper on the drawing board, you need the T-square to set it so that it can be well laid on the surface of the drawing board. Then we also use T-square to draw horizontal lines. So that is the second use of T-square, to draw horizontal lines. Then we also use to support set squares when we have to draw vertical and inclined lines. So these are the uses of a T-square. Then let's look at the next instrument, that is, we have set squares. So the set squares that we use in technical drawing are of 3 types. So we have the one that calls 30 to 60 degree set square. Then we also have 45 degree set square. So the next one, you will see it in the next diagram. Then what are the uses of set squares? So number 1, set squares are used to draw vertical and inclined lines. Then we also use set square to draw angles, and the angles that we can use set square to draw: angle 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 75 degree, and 105 degrees. So these are the angles that we can use set squares to construct. Okay, so the next one is what we call adjustable set square. Adjustable set square. This is how adjustable set square looks. And then we also use adjustable set square to draw vertical and inclined lines, and also to construct angles such as angle 30 degree, angle 45 degree, 60 degree, 75, and 105 degree. Okay. Then the next one is a protractor. So this is a protractor, and a protractor is used to construct angles and also for measuring angles. We use a protractor to construct angles and also to measure angles. Then the next instrument that we have there is a pair of compass. A pair of compass is used to construct arcs, to construct circles, and also to construct angles. So if you look at this pair of compass that we have here, it may not look like the one that you have in your mathematical set. This type is one that we have in a drawing instrument used by engineering students, but we still use the one that we have in your mathematical set to perform the functions that we use this for, which are for the construction of arcs, construction of circles, and construction of angles. So the next drawing instrument that we are talking about is a pair of dividers. A pair of divider is used for taking and for transferring measurements. So we use divider to take measurements and also to transfer measurements. That is the function of a divider. Also, we have a ruler. So a ruler is used for taking linear measurements such as length, width, and height. So whenever we have to take the length of an object, we're expected to make use of a ruler. We're also expected to make use of a ruler whenever we have to take the width and also the height of an object. So do not forget that a ruler is used for taking linear measurements. Then we also have scale rule. All right, so we have two types of scale rule. We have triangular scale rule and we have flat scale rule. So anyone that you have can be used to perform the function that we stated here. So the next drawing instrument that we have is stencils. So stencils are used to produce standard lettering. So when we have to produce standard lettering, we make use of stencils. We have something like this in your mathematical set. Then we also have templates. So templates are used to reproduce standard geometrical plane shapes such as circles, squares, and so on. So this is what we call a template. So you can use it to produce triangle, to produce circles, and to produce oval, to produce square of any size. So this is what we call a template. Then we also have a sharpener. So sharpener is used for sharpening pencils to obtain a conical shape of the lead. So this is a sharpener. So and what we use it for is to sharpen a pencil in order to obtain the conical shape of the lead. Then we also have French cups. So French cups, these are French cups, and we also have flexible cups. So anyone that we have from these two can be used for joining irregular points together in order to obtain perfect cups. So this is, we have French cups and we have flexible cup. Then in summary, the drawing instruments used in technical drawing are, we have drawing board, we have T-square, we have set squares, we have a pair of compass, we have a pair of dividers, we have French or flexible cups, we have ruler, we have protractor, we have scale rule, we have sharpener, we have stencils, and then we have templates. So these are drawing instruments that we use in technical drawing. So all you need to do is to pay attention to everything that we have explained here and also be able to state the functions of each of the instrument that we have mentioned. Please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and help us to share our videos with your friends. Thank you and God bless you.